Welcome back, folks. Today on Product Critique, we're diving into the world of gardening with a spotlight on one of the best solutions for nurturing your plants year-round, the Outsunny portable greenhouse. If you're passionate about gardening like I am, you won't want to miss this. Now, when it comes to creating the perfect environment for your plants, nothing beats a greenhouse. And among the myriad options out there, the Outsunny portable greenhouse stands out as a top contender. Let's delve into what makes it the best roofing for a greenhouse available in the market. First off, let's talk about protection. This greenhouse is all about providing double protection for your precious plants. With not one, but two PE plastic covers, your plants are shielded from UV scorching while still enjoying 85% of nourishing sunlight. Plus, during colder months, simply add a second cover to keep your plants cozy and warm. But that's not all. The Outsunny greenhouse also offers convenience and versatility. Check out these roll-up sidewalls and windows. They provide easy access to your plants while allowing for optimal ventilation. You're in control of the temperature and humidity, ensuring the perfect growing conditions year-round. Now, let's talk about durability. This greenhouse is built to last, with a sturdy steel frame and a sloped top to prevent sagging. And for added stability against wind and rain, simply bury the ground frame deep into the soil. Mother Nature won't stand a chance. But what sets the Outsunny portable greenhouse apart is its commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, this greenhouse is your ticket to a thriving garden all year round. And there you have it, folks, the Outsunny portable greenhouse, the best roofing for greenhouse enthusiasts everywhere. Don't just take my word for it, experience the difference yourself. Until next time, happy gardening!